Hey Stone, how are you, my man?
Fine and you. Good evening to the viewers. Yeah, I'm all
Yeah,
right.
man.
What about you?
I'm Superman.
Yeah.
Are you look like in a Xmas mode? Are you already thinking of Xmas already?
No, new developments, exciting things happening in the crypto market that I am excited to learn about. To also understand that we are in the forefront of a new development and a new technology that is taking all over the world.
Okay, yeah, but beside the crypto, I
Yeah.
mean, your mood is December, that time of the year where people are excited, people want to enjoy their money, people want
Yeah.
to enjoy their investments. How's
Yeah.
the mood at your side? How are you feeling?
On my side, to be honest, my mood is fine. The December mood is usual, but I am working as you can see in December. I am not on holiday. I have to deliver every day information and yeah. So, but it's a mixed up mood. I'm working at the same time. It's December, but I'm not on holiday. So, but overall, the mood is positive. Always positive
Okay,
vibes.
no,
Actually.
Christoph. Look, crypto doesn't sleep even
Yeah,
at night, even during holidays. Crypto is there 24/7. It's not going anywhere. It keeps moving up and down. It's exciting.
yeah,
All
that's
right,
the truth.
Empire FM, we are live via Temper Crypto. As usual, please do invite others, invite your friends, share this live broadcast to everyone in your circle. There is a button there on your device where you're watching this broadcast. Just press that button, share it to everyone in your circle. Let's bring them on board. Let's bring everyone. Let's invite everyone, guys, to this live broadcast so that we do not leave other people behind in terms of information. We need everyone to be here to understand, to learn about this exciting discussion that we're going to be breaking it down today. So bring everyone, guys. And of course, let's engage, guys. Let's talk. Let's engage. Say something on the comment section. Let us know where you're watching this live broadcast from. If you are from Soweto, if you are from Lesotho, if you are from Namibia, if you are from Kenya, UK, Israel, America, anywhere in Nigeria, we've got people all over the world, not all over the country, all over the world. So crypto is decentralized. So yeah, let's discuss, guys. Let's talk.
Yeah,
Um, all right. There is already Majara said best. Please tell us Metaverse gems which will still be around in 2025. All right. It's all about the Metaverse. Metaverse spaces just started. We just started on this space, guys, and exciting times ahead. So stay put on this live broadcast. And of course, do not forget to hop over onto the YouTube channel. Go to our YouTube channel. We've got so much information that we've shared, so much strategies. We've shared a lot of metaverse projects on our YouTube channel. So go on to our YouTube channel and subscribe. Once you've subscribed, you can start checking the past videos where we uploaded and we mentioned different projects in the metaverse space. Most of these projects that we mention here, guys, we have checked them thoroughly, and we don't just want to give you junky food, but we always want to give you proper diet so that you become a healthy investor. So this is our commitment, our vision, our goal in this platform. So yeah, guys, I see. Thank you so much. I'm Masindi all the way from Eastern Cape, Grahamstown. Welcome to Empire Crypto TV. Do not forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Share this live broadcast, guys. All right, Crypto Stone.
Yeah, yeah, Mister.
How's the market going today? Let me share the coin
Wow.
market cap. Let's see what's happening on the market. Let's start by
Okay.
checking how the market is performing at this point in time, guys.
Yeah.
As you can see, the market cap is at 2 trillion and 2.1 trillion. 24-hour volume, you can see it's also not so bad. It's 100 billion. I'll not say so good, so bad, but yeah, look, there's so much fear around the market. So much is happening around the market, and the dominance of Bitcoin as we stand now is 40%. 40% dominance of Bitcoin, and 21% dominance of Ethereum, and the rest are crypto altcoins. And then when we come here, Bitcoin around 46,895, which is 47,000, and Ethereum 3,900 thereabouts. Then of course BNB 526 US dollars. All right, what you thinking of the market, the current status of the market, Stone?
Well, today there was a lot of action happening in the market. I'm looking at the 15-minute chart. If you may allow me to dive into it, just sort of like continuing from what we were going through from the previous days, the announcing of of hacking, the announce of Binance departing from the Asian markets, which is something that we discussed a few days ago. But it looks like these news are still intact. It looks like these news are still very much, if I would say, influencing the market since 2 days ago. I can just start by beginning just looking at fundamentally speaking. That's what I think, because there was a great sink in the market. Remember, now we were looking at the market with this resistance and
Uh,
resistance and support
can
levels.
all right? Can you try and zoom out
Oh,
your
zoom. Okay, all right. Now
yeah,
let me
to 200
just.
there, please, man.
All right, sorry about that. Okay, I'm on 200, but I'll put it at 225,
Okay,
250. Okay, I think that you're gonna see more of it. Can you?
yeah,
Is it
it's
fine? Eh?
better now. Yeah, it's better.
Better. The vision is better. All
Yeah,
right.
it's better now.
As I was saying, so we experienced a major since that the news broke out a few days ago. We've been experiencing a major downtrend or a bearish market in the crypto space, and even some coins or tokens were also affected, and which we are coming to gaming coins as well, which is something that I'm going to elaborate more on as we go. As we can see, it's all red. As you know, that the red color, it means like, the market is affected in a negative sense, since the main coin, which is Bitcoin. But you find some other smaller coins like Bora, they have like a 29% 0.5 up, but that's because maybe they have a different way of doing things, or their blockchain is operating and serving in a different purpose. Hence, that's why maybe they are moving at a positive point. But majority coins, even though you have these gaming coins, these are gaming coins or gaming tokens that are largely used in the crypto space. But I'll dive into that a bit later. But for now, let us just continue on the market. As I was saying before, I had a resistant, not a resistant point. I had a point whereby I put at number 45,000 rand. My support level was at 45,000 rand, and I had announced it days before it got there, that this is the lowest that the Bitcoin can fall. It's Friday today, and we are heading towards the weekend. And all of a sudden, I just witnessed a bounce just a few minutes ago, an hour ago, a bounce where the cryptocurrency just bounced exactly at 45,615.93, and then now it's coming up, and then it came up to 47. Right now, currently, Bitcoin is standing at 46,900 per coin. So it's interesting what we're gonna see on the weekend, and it's interesting to know and know that it's been bearish the whole time, the whole week. We've been experiencing a bearish market, but all of a sudden, this Friday afternoon, we just saw a bounce off that is gonna just send the coin up. Hopefully, maybe by Monday we'll be seeing some positive changes. Even my relative strength index at some point was oversold to the level where it came to 22, which is extremely so. It was an oversold instrument at some point. So let us think, maybe if you could comment, maybe if you think that the market is going to be able to bounce since it bounced back at it since it bounced at the resistance at the support line of 45,000 rand, coming up now to 47, and then it looks promising, and then now it looks like now it's going to go through this stage here. Remember the redistribution stages that we had before the major bearish trend that was taking place. So the market came down, then sort of like went sideways here. So when the market goes sideways, there's not much selling and buying happening, and then again the 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 Bears won that fight. After they won that fight, and then they went through another redistribution stage. The fight went on maybe for a couple of hours, and then the Bears once again they won that fight. But now the Bears have come to this point. Now there's no more. If you notice now, we had a redistribution phase before, maybe let's say yesterday or earlier today, yesterday or 2 days back, and then the Bears won the fight. But now notice now the difference here, if you may, the redistribution stage is no longer as strong as it was before. What happens is it came and then it retraced at the 45,000 rand per coin, and then there was no redistribution continuing. It just bounced off, and then it just gave a bullish candlestick, and then the candlestick started coming up. But now, if you look at the point now, it's very interesting that the redistribution phase is faced off with this, a possible redistribution phase. It's a possible redistribution phase for a bullish market. Maybe we might see the coin going up to a 50,000 point come Monday. But if it doesn't and it drops more, maybe it will have to do with some fundamental analysis or something happened on the news. Now, remember now when we discussed last time, when we talked about the hacking that happened at coinmarketcap.com, where the banks were even also involved in the case bidding against cryptocurrencies and stable coins. These are very powerful people, like as I was predicting that they might have a very, very strong influence on the market. They really have that power to actually push the market even further bearish. We might look like the Bitcoin is trying to regain strength at this point. It's a possibility that it may consolidate, or it might go on a bearish trend, even though things look positive. But at the same time, it's the market. Anything can happen. But for now, we can just say that, you know what, volatility is there and the market is moving. And when the market is moving, that's the only good thing that we can ever hope for. Now, another thing that we can also look at on the market, I just want us to go through on the market on these gaming tokens.
All right. Before then, okay, it seems the market is bouncing between 45,000 and 50,000.
47. Yes.
47, of course, but I'll sell 50,000 because it's failing to break the $50,000
Yeah.
resistant. But if you see it breaking that $50,000 mark, it means it can still, I mean, trade higher, and it can actually start moving up.
Mm.
Psychologically, this is also affecting a lot of people because people are expecting the market to move up. People are expecting the bullish market. The market is still bullish, I would say, but of course, at some point, it has to build some support levels. It has
Yes.
to build some strong support levels before you start breaking.
Mm.
Either way, but of course,
Mm.
we're expecting to break upwards.
Yeah.
Um, there is no market that can just start moving up without
Yes.
retracing, without building some levels, support or resistant levels. That's much expected to happen. But of course, people, we always want to positive things.
Mm.
When the market is like looking like it's going down, people tend to panic. People tend to start selling, panic selling, I'll say, which is vast in so many people, you know. But yeah, look, you said we're looking into the gaming tokens today. Let's dive into
Yes.
the discussion. Let's see what we have.
Yes, the development in the technological space is also a uh, positive vibration in the crypto space. As much as we hear these bad news and negativity and panic and the cryptocurrency going down, but the expansion of technology is also a hopeful um, story that we can discuss and hope that it has a positive influence on the cryptocurrency space itself, which it will. So today I wanted to talk about more about gaming tokens. Gaming tokens are tokens that are quickly coming up and rising up in the crypto space. These projects are so powerful in the sense that when I look at some of them like Axie, Infinity AXS, which is $95.18 right now per coin or per token. These type of tokens are largely used in gaming, and it's gonna integrate with Metaverse very, very soon. The reason why I say investors should be looking into investing in gaming tokens, it's a possibility and a high possibility that gaming tokens are the future in the crypto space, and we're gonna see more of them rising up. Like the market cap of Exe right now, we are looking at it, it's 5 billion or over 5 billion with the volume of 262 billion in 24 hours, or 262 million, sorry, dollars in 24 hours. So you can see now these coins have volatility, besides the fact that they are coins that are coins that are brand new in the space, and older coins that have older purposes are falling off. But these new coins are showing new forms of technologies that are integrated with gaming and as well virtual reality, which is now known as the metaverse. So it's an interesting phenomenon to study these coins. As early as they are, people can start investing in some of these coins. Most of them have a great potential, if I should say, and that in itself, that's very good for the cryptocurrency space. And the more they get invented, because the gaming industry on itself, Mr. Crypto King, is worth $45 billion a year, the gaming industry in itself. So more and more gamers that are going into gaming, they earn coins for the task that they do on the gaming floor. So I just want to share something with the viewers that has a combination with gaming, cryptocurrency, and of course with the metaverse or the virtual space or virtual reality space. I don't know if you could just allow me, if just a few minutes, Mr. Mapena. I just want to play a video and then I just want to explain to you how this relationship between metaverse and the relationship and of cryptocurrency and the virtual reality. Okay.
All right.
First of all, yes,
Yeah, you
there
can
is a
shoot,
technology.
shoot.
Okay, there is a technology. I'm sure most people are who are aware of. These are virtual glasses. Okay, these virtual glasses, you just put them on, and then you sort of like go into this virtual reality world, or AKA metaverse. Okay, so you do a whole lot of variety of things. You become someone else there. You have your own avatar. I don't know if you are familiar with the term avatar. Avatar is another person or your digital self in the metaverse. You have yourself as Mr. Mabena in the real world, but as soon as you put on these virtual glasses, you have your other self as as an avatar, and you give yourself a name, you give yourself a character, and you become more engaged in other worlds that are different, and you get to meet people. Like you have social media, like you have Facebook, you have Twitter, that you can reach people from far and away, so that you can communicate with them. Now it's an advancement. When you talk about metaverse now, you don't need to send messages. You go straight physically and actually start seeing the people that that not people, actually avatars, but it's a virtual reality space. So let me just share with you like a video that explains this technology in a sequence. If you may just allow me, let me just put on this video. Just waiting for it to load. It will just take a while, but it's gonna come
All
on.
right,
But
no, it's not a
yes,
problem.
there we go. It's
Okay.
on already. Just give me a second, please. I just want to. Okay. All right, there we go. Is it big enough? I just want to make the screen.
No, it's fine. Just let it play.
Okay. I'll just wait a little bit. Just give it a second.
All right, no, it's fine. It's coming up. Yes, Empire FM. We are live via Empire Crypto TV every day 7 p.m. Do not forget to set your alarm, and of course, if you want to be notified whenever we go live, you just have to go onto our YouTube channel and subscribe on our.
Okay, it's just a whole game. You see now this guy, this is another guy. He's a different guy now. His own virtual reality glasses on. He's also connected. Like how you can connect on Facebook and have a variety and of access of people that you can communicate with. Now this guy is also communicate in his house. Can you see now? He's handed. He's like a child, but he's old. But that's his avatar right there. Can you see that? He's a big. See, she's playing so much. She's so into the metaverse that reality is no longer doesn't matter anymore in the metaverse. Very interesting technology to think about when we're going into the future. The gaming industry that is
All
worth
right.
45 billion, over 45 billion dollars. Yeah, you wanna say something?
Okay, so this is interesting, bruh. This is very much
Yeah,
exciting
yeah.
times ahead. Look, I want us next week to bring sort of this further, how to get
Okay.
involved, because people know only about investing in these coins, buying
Mm,
these
mm.
coins, these
Coins,
metaverse
yes.
coins, investing. I want to invest on Sand, I want to invest on Decentraland, but they
Yeah,
do not really have that feeling of what's happening inside, like we just showed
yeah.
us now.
Mm,
We need to dig deeper. We're
yeah.
gonna bring it next week, and of course, the full one will be reserved for our mentorship students who are
Mm,
actually gonna be coming into our mentorship class. But yeah,
yes.
look, we're gonna just bring a glimpse of what's happening and so much, and we're gonna actually assist people to get involved, to be in the metaverse, not to just be outside and investing, cheering from outside, but to get the feeling, to be inside, to create projects, to buy land in the Decentraland, to buy more land, to buy structures in the Decentraland, in the
Mm,
sandbox, in the metaverse. So we're gonna bring that to our family, most probably in the next few weeks to come. All
mm,
right.
mm. Yes,
Great
yes, yes.
stuff, Empire Fem. Someone asked a question here. I think there was a question. Someone said, where to get these coins platform, please? Or yes, on the comment section, guys, I'm gonna send the platform where you can look into these projects. Look out for the link on the on the comment section. I've sent the link on the comment section. Register using our link. Once you register using our link, whenever you need some assistance or whenever you become part of us, you become part of the family. So if you register using our link, it's beneficial to you, because whenever you need us to assist you in anything, we always available to do so. So I have sent the link on the comment section. Look out for the link on the comment section. Register straight away, and then you can have access to buy these coins. And what I like about this platform, you get these projects when they're still very much new before they list on big exchanges like Binance exchanges. So you get them while they're still very much undervalued before they start gaining that value because of volumes when they list on these big exchanges. So make sure that you are registered on this platform. And of course, do not forget, guys, our mentorship academy is starting very soon. Look out for our mentorship academy, which is starting very soon. In fact, we are a crypto trading community. We are more of a practical. We're not only talking about theory. We're not going to be talking about, much of a theory, what is Bitcoin, how Bitcoin works. We'll be talking about making money, real money, talking about how to make money, margin trading, leverage trading, going deeper into trading itself. So make sure that you are involved and you are included in our mentorship, in our trading community, which is coming very, very soon. Thank you so much. Yeah, Stone,
Yes,
let's
sir.
move on.
Yeah, carrying on, I just wanted also to share some news that came in about gaming coins, of course, or investing in gaming coins. So this one comes from the Motley Fool. Um, Crypto gaming is on the rise, okay, and gaming coins are becoming a popular choice as an investment. Okay, so now we're going a little bit deeper when you go into investments as well. With so many different types of cryptocurrency, investors have a variety of projects that can check out. Gaming soon, gaming coins. That's the new crypto. Like if you talk about cryptocurrency projects, uh, um, gaming coins are one of the biggest or one of the fastest rising projects that people are looking out for. I know there are many other cryptocurrency projects that are available out there doing different types of purposes, but most of them. Okay, gaming is also stepping in a high rapid pace. Gaming coins combine two extremely popular industries, the crypto and the video games. Many are online games that use, like online gaming, like you can communicate like the same way that I just show you on the video. So we are going into that space as we go towards the future. Use cryptocurrency as in-game currency. So remember now, I also told you yesterday that the day before that the type of currency that will be used in the virtual space, whether it be gaming, whether it be investing, the dominant currency eventually will be a cryptic or cryptocurrency. Even assets or even like Nike that we're going to discuss just now when I close off about something that you said about Nike having made virtual shoes of their brand. These games also often use play to earn model, where players can earn crypto as they complete tasks. So every task, like before, we had these retro games like Street Fighter. You would stand there and then play, and then it will show you points. But those points now in the day and age, they are no longer taken for granted. Now, when you earn those points in the gaming space, they become value. They are a source of value because what of cryptocurrency stepping into the technology space. Before they were worthless. If you played a game and then you had some points in some game, it doesn't matter. But now people like they are in the cryptocurrency space. It's been taken advantage of. And then blockchain gaming companies raised 476 million over the first half of 2021. Now, this is one of the reasons why the first half of 2021 was a bullish market in the crypto space. So we may think that, some of the things that are said by Elon Musk and other famous people are the major are sort of like the things that are push up the cryptocurrencies, but there are other hidden forces. There are other technological advances that are influencing the cryptocurrency space, like the blockchain gaming companies raised like 476 million over the first half of 2021. Who knows what can happen next year, 2022? Since this is a new industry, gaming coins could have serious growth potential. So even professional experts are looking at gaming coins like Exe having to have 7.31 billion in the market capitalization. So while I'm talking about that, and then we are also talking the expanding space of 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 the metaverse itself. And the more it expands, now you have now Nike stepping into the, like you were mentioning the other day, you have Nike stepping into the metaverse. I just want to read a key point that the news just came up on CNBC. Nike has filed 7 trademark application as it prepares to enter the metaverse. Okay, as part of the application, the company indicated its intent to make and sell virtual branded sneakers and apparel. You see, like how we saw that guy in the virtual space, in that gaming space. So you can also buy maybe a Nike and say, okay, as Mr. Mabena, when I'm in the metaverse, I want to dress a nice black leather jacket that I want to buy from Nike. You can buy them, but it's gonna be owned by Nike. You see now, Nike, they no longer gonna have to manufacture the product in the factory. Now they manufacture products in a digital space. Now you have Nike shoes that you can wear on the metaverse. You understand? You can look, like if you wanna look sharp shoot for maybe a metaverse event, or maybe you want to do a presentation, you want to wear suit. Maybe now Nike is gonna offer like a virtual suit and say, okay, this is the suit that we offer for you in the metaverse for you to wear. But now, of course, you have to use what? Crypto and other tokens to buy that suit of Nike for you to wear, or techies and so forth. Hence, we're saying people familiar with Nike's plans said the space is a priority for the brand, and consumers can expect to see more virtual rollouts in the months ahead. More virtual rollouts. What does that mean? It means more virtual things, virtual car, example, a virtual house, virtual land, like the land that is so much talked about, Mark Zuckerberg selling a piece of land. There will also be properties that you will be owning in the virtual space that are still being programmed. It's still a technology that is still coming. It is still new. It's not yet well organized for now, but as you can see, the video that I just showed, it shows you the future, how the metaverse will collaborate with gaming.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, tell me something. So I can also come up with my products that I can sell in the metaverse. We need to dig deeper into this, especially on the next coming few days or weeks.
Yes.
Whereby how can we help our Empire firm here to create their own products that can be bought and sold on the metaverse? Because just now you mentioned that Nike, instead of going into a factory manufacturing the physical shoes, they can actually manufacture virtual shoes where you can buy them. There will be still the same value. In fact, there will be like if you want to buy a Nike, spend 500 rand, spend 1,000 rand buying that virtual shoe, and you put on that virtual shoe going into the metaverse, as an avatar and stuff.
Yeah.
So it seems there's so much, that we need to understand. And being the earliest people at this early beginning. We need to really benefit. So we need to dig deeper into how can we get into that space and produce our own products so that we
Mm.
can sell them. That's on the space.
Of course, that's a very good idea, actually, Mr. Mr. Crypto King, because Nike does it. Eventually, people will also want to be involved. Like the same thing that, okay, Nike started making shoes. There are companies that are not so powerful as Nike that are making shoes. But of course, when they enter the metaverse, it won't be a thing of having a factory. Now they will have to now readjust themselves into the technological space instead of people who are going to sew and put together the shoe like the factory does it, or the machine. You'll have to have what? Blockchain technology. You'll have to have get involved within the crypto space on how you're going to exchange those products and how you're going to create those products. Those products will demand extremely powerful technology and digital programming. So programming and programmers are going to be very, very much be involved in developing these new products that are created in the digital space, because they are all based technology and virtually dependent. Okay, so yeah, it's an interesting era that that we are entering as a people of this generation. Who knows what can happen next year? What can be the latest developments in the metaverse? As we have seen these virtual goggles that are being sold worldwide as we speak. As for people who are trying to learn, deep research is also very important at this point in time when you're going to do research, when you're going to enter the metaverse space. I also advise people to do a lot of reading, to do a lot of researching. I'll repeat again, research. Research is extremely important in this industry. If you don't do research and you don't know what you are dealing with, it will be very, very difficult for you to take advantage. For people to take advantage, they need to have knowledge. And once you have knowledge, and then the key of knowledge will help you to advance and get you to the next level of things so that you can catch up with everything else.
Okay, Christopher Cryptostone, yeah, that's powerful, man. So much insights. Um, Look, this is educational. I believe people are taking some notes, but I don't see people commenting. I need guys comment. Say something on the comment section. If you appreciate this information, do say it on the comment section. If you share this live broadcast, I see there is our Maria. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Our crypto millionaire there. She was here on the show sometime last week or 2 weeks back, and she gave us some insightful information about how to make money in the network space. And of course, she's here supporting the show as well. Thank you so much for coming through, Mrs. Quick. Thank you so much for coming through, and thank you so much for inviting others. It's one journey, it's one vision to spread the word, to spread this positive information, to build communities, to bring the communities into this crypto space. So yeah, let's make it happen, guys. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, Stone. Let's
Yes.
just touch the news. Touch
Okay.
the Bitcoin. What's your sentiments going to this weekend before we close? What are we
Okay.
looking at? Are we going
Yeah.
bullish? Are we going bearish? What's your weekend like?
We are looking at a very interesting weekend, actually, because on the news, to be honest with you, there's nothing much that has been said to shift the market. I know the industry is based fundamental. At this point in time, the fundamental analysis or the news that that have been spreading out were about hacking and the situation in with Binance, of course. Those news are still very much in effect affecting the market. For me, that's my view. Since we've seen seeing the market going on a bearish trend, the news that I that I that 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 I came across that that are a bit famous. It was just about Michael Jordan, a former basketball player who is now also going into the crypto space. But he's a famous person, famous people have this thing of moving the market, but it really didn't do much into the market. Hence, that's why some news they can be there, but sometimes it doesn't affect the market. Like even with the story of Nike going into the virtual space, I can tell you right now, if you look at the Nike stocks, it's still on the negative parallel. Though they have this new technology that they have announced a few days back. So not all news actually is going to affect the market in a positive sense, like we always hope for them to do so. But as you can see, Nike Inc., Nike stocks has a negative trend. Okay, I don't know where is this chart. God, but anyway, it's fine. But as you can see, I just wanted to share with people like different types of fundamentals that also on the stock market that has an effect. But Nike has only just been plunging down. But since the news that came out, which was yesterday, I do believe that you brought them to me date. I think 2 days back. Since then, you just saw the Nike stock just coming down here, coming up, but it's trying to regain strength over the. Hopefully, maybe the market is been on the negative for Nike. Maybe it's in a few days' time we'll just see the stock going up, but it will be based on because their involvement back into cryptocurrencies. But at the same time, what's interesting is that some companies that come into the crypto space have a way of also raising stocks and cryptocurrencies can be in a relationship. Like I can tell you this one example that when Elon Musk said that he's selling Teslas for bitcoins, he's going to be using bitcoins, he's going to accept bitcoins for his Tesla's cars. The Tesla stocks skyrocketed alongside with Bitcoin. You see that relationship itself was so powerful that Tesla stocks and the Bitcoin skyrocketed at the same time. You see, stocks and cryptocurrencies, they have that relationship. It's not far away when we see stocks being tokenized into the crypto space very soon, which is something that is well spoken about, NFTs and sort of. So over the weekend, as you can see right now, we have this bearish trend that I'm just um, witnessing this afternoon going down. It's a Friday afternoon. Let us see what happens on Saturday. Will it go beyond the mark of $45,000 per coin, maybe dropping down to 42? That's the lowest it can go. Or will it retrace back and regain strength, go back to its original mark of 50,000 $50,000 per Bitcoin? So we'll see this weekend. This weekend will be very interesting. Keep a market close up. And on Monday, I would like to hear what people think and what the investors of cryptocurrencies and people who are very much involved, what they think about the bearish market that we had over the weekend and how it has changed or how it will change the following week.
All right, Doc Christopher, thank you so much for that analysis going to the weekend. Yes, Empire Fame, thank you so much for coming through to the show. And do not forget to go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. All this information is uploaded to YouTube. So if you want to watch it or you want to share it with your friends, with your family, with your colleagues, with your teams, go on to our YouTube channel And once you have subscribed, you can have access to all these videos. Then you can do whatever you want to do. It's free. It's for you to learn and understand how this market works, how the whole market functions. We are here committed to bring you the blockchain solutions, cryptocurrencies, trading and investing. We want you to be the best trader that you can be. So yeah, let's be together. Let's make sure that we grasp all these information and strategies that we share with you. All right, let's meet again on Monday, 7 p.m. as usual. Have an awesome weekend. Have a great weekend. Keep trading. The market doesn't sleep. It's always open 24/7. But trade better, trade carefully, and make some profits, guys. Like I said, our crypto trading community is coming soon that will help you to trade better. We go straight into making some profits. We eliminate all these problems, challenges that so many people are facing. We just go straight into making some profits. So, yeah, stay with us, guys. Big things are coming. So much is going to be implemented on this project. Oh, yeah. For you guys, thank you so much for coming through. I believe it's your first time being here or commenting. Thank you so much. Welcome to Empire Crypto TV. Indeed, it's an interesting discussion. It's interesting topic, interesting channel. So yeah, please invite your friends next time. Whenever we go live, tell them we are live here. Like I always say, guys, sometimes we've got people who still want to understand about cryptocurrency, but you um you do not have that ability to explain, to teach them, to train them how the cryptocurrency market work. What you just have to do, bring them onto this show, bring them onto this platform, and then we do the talking. Afterwards, they'll be in a position to start researching, to start digging deeper about this market. This is all about. It's all about bringing the community into this lovely, awesome market, which is more profitable, guys. This is a profitable market. I've never seen anything like this. Thank you so much. Oh, yeah, we've got KP. Thank you so much for coming through. All right, guys, let's meet again on Monday. Have an awesome weekend. Thank you so much.